Hello students, good evening everybody. In indefinite integration, let us continue the problems of exercise 8.5. Look at the first question. Integral cosecant x log of cosecant x minus cot x dx. Here directly substitution we can make, that is log of cosecant x minus cot x b. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Again, derivative of inner function we should write, that is cosecant x derivative is minus cosecant x cot x. Cot x is minus cosec square x, so automatically minus is there, plus cosec square x, right? X differentiation is dx equal to dt. Now we will get cosecant x common here, right? So if I take cosecant x common, then we will get cosecant x minus cot x upon cosecant x minus cot x dx equal to dt. Here if you see, this 2 gets cancelled, right? Then what is remaining here? Cosecant x dx equal to dt. So clearly it is there in the given integral, right? We can put directly. Now I is equal to integral, that is t, log of cosecant x minus cot x is t, cosecant x dx means dt. So we can write t square by 2 plus c. T square means log of cosecant x minus cot x whole square upon 2 plus c. Therefore, integral cosecant x log of cosecant x minus cot x dx equal to log of cosecant x minus cot x whole square upon 2 plus c. That is the end of solution. Okay? Let us see the second question. Clearly, second question says integral log of tan x by 2 upon sin x dx. Let me take log of tan x by 2 is equal to t. Log x means we can write 1 by x. Derivative of tan x by 2 is secant square x by 2. Again x by 2 derivative 1 by 2 dx equal to dt, right? So dx equal to 2 dt upon secant square x by 2. This will be into tan x by 2. So this could be 2 dt into 1 by secant square means I can write cos square x by 2. Tan means sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. 1 can be cancelled here. So 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. We have one formula, 2 sin theta cos theta can be sin 2 theta. So I can write this is submultiple. So 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, we can be cos sin x directly dt. Right? Okay. Dx equal to. Now, our given integral becomes, this is t by sin x. Dx means sin x dt. So t means t square by 2 plus c. But what is my assumption here? T means log of tan x by 2 whole square by 2 plus c. Therefore, integral log of tan x by 2 upon sin x dx equal to log of tan x by 2 whole square upon 2 plus c. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.